In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Brevo account. We'll walk through creating your account from scratch so you can get to your dashboard quickly and start sending emails with confidence. Begin by heading to the Brevo homepage. On the landing page, look for the Sign Up Free button and click it. This takes you to the registration screen. Here you can create your account using an email address and a password. Choose an inbox you check often, ideally a professional or work email. For the password, go with something strong and unique that you don't reuse elsewhere. If you prefer a faster start, you can sign up with Google. Click Sign Up with Google, pick the Google account you want to use, and then click Continue to grant the necessary permissions. This simply connects your Google identity to Brevo so you don't have to manage a separate login. From here, Brevo guides you through a short onboarding flow with on-screen prompts. I won't display any sensitive information, but I'll describe what to expect so you can prepare. You'll be asked for your company name. Enter the official name you operate under. Next, you'll see a field for your website. If you have a website, type the full URL. If you don't, choose the option that says I don't have a website. Brevo works even if you're just getting started. You'll then provide your business address. Make sure this matches your billing or legal records, as it can appear in email footers for compliance. After that, you'll answer a few quick questions about your business, like company size and how many contacts you expect to upload. These answers help Brevo tailor recommendations and send limits to your needs. At some point, your phone number will be verified. Keep your device nearby so you can receive a code and complete the check without delays. Verification helps secure your account and protect your sender reputation. Towards the end of setup, you'll be asked to choose a plan. If you're testing the platform or just starting out, select the free plan. You can always upgrade later as your list and sending volume grow. Once you confirm your choice, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. That's it. You now have a Brevo account ready to go. In your dashboard, you can explore contacts, campaigns, and automations at your own pace. If you found this helpful, follow along for more tutorials that build on this foundation.